So finally one of my neighbor is leaving from the quarantine center, as he have completed 14 days of his quarantine here. So he is leaving today. So there you can see some of the volunteers and my neighbor parents and all who came to pick him. So you can see here, so this is my friend who is leaving today. So he have packed everything and he is ready to leave. So see, you can see this, and all his luggage and mattress is out. So let's see. So I'm helping my friend as he's leaving now. So okay. Không có thêm. So it seems they are going to do sanitize on it. Okay. Sure. Yeah. So finally it's packed and my friend is about to leave. So this is how my village is taking precaution. The one who is leaving today, you can see he became so healthy, after 14 days. Samponash. Okay. Samponash. Cho. Someone else. Mày. Hey, tao kiếm đam này. Cho, đừng bám mày lo. Ai, không có thêm này. Cho. So they are leaving now. So the volunteers are going to close the gate. Yeah. So I'll be alone today, as my friend has leave. So in this quarantine center, I'll be alone from today onward. I heard that some of them are also coming today, but since they haven't got their result yet, so they won't be coming. So I have to stay here for another more 8 days to complete my 14 days of quarantine. So let's see how it's going to be. So they have left. Cho. Samponash. Cho. Yeah. So that's all about today's video. Sorry that I could not able to show my face today, since it was a bit uncomfortable for me today. So hope you guys won't mind. So see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.